Okay, can you tell me what this is?
A partial?
Yes. Can you tell me what these are?
Are those like different scalars?
Not scalars.
Are they different probes?
They're not probes either. They are used for hygiene though.
Looks like something you would like use instead of like a Cavitron or whatever.
So you have the Cavitron unit.
Like the different tips for it?
Yeah, those are the tips for it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, do you know what this is and what it's used for?
It's obviously used for like schooling and it's a dummy.
Okay, but what do we use it for?
Probably to practice cleaning teeth and stuff.
So it's not for cleaning teeth, but we use it to practice something else.
Impressions?
Not
No,
impressions.
because you do that on each other.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's to practice x-rays with.
Oh.
They're called dexters, by the way. Okay, so I have this model of a tooth, but it's not labeled. What I want you to tell me is the layers of the teeth, or of a tooth, the layers of a tooth. What's the outside
I was going to
layer
start
called?
inside out.
Oh, you can go inside out then, that's fine. What's the inside
So
portion
you
of the
have the nerves,
tooth? Okay,
the root,
but there's 3 layers to a tooth.
there's a buckle.
No, those are surfaces. What is the inner chamber of the tooth called, where all the nerves and the blood vessels are? What would that be called?
Couldn't tell you.
The most inner part of a tooth is called the pulp.
Oh, I knew that.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
What's the second layer of the tooth called?
The enamel?
That's the outer layer. What's this yellowish layer? Yeah, that's the second layer.
That's the midline.
The midline. Starts with a D.
Just cannot think of it right now.
It's the dentin.
Dentin.
What is this picture of? So that's a tooth.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm looking at this part right here.
An infection.
Yeah, it could be infected.
That's not where another tooth was, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it looks like their tooth fell out and they just didn't go to see a dentist. They just kind of dealt with it.
It's a root tip, like a retained root tip. So like the whole crown.
So the root is still in there?
Yeah, the root is still in there. So that tooth decayed or broke off to the point, where it's just the root tip.
The white looked like a bubble to me. I didn't know that was part of the tooth.
Yeah, so this is like a totally separate tooth that is decayed and broke off, and now it's just a root tip. So on this x-ray, what is this right in the middle?
Those are roots. Right?
Yeah, so what would that be called?
The root tip.
Yeah. What in this x-ray, what is that?
A bridge.
Yeah, that was easy.